In this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw or transfer your money from Kraken to your bank account instantly. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So this process is very simple. First of all, I'm going to go to my portfolio so you can see the balance I have. I only have Litecoin right now. So if we want to transfer the money to our bank account, we need to have fiat. It can be any currency you use in your country, so it can be euros or USD or whatever you want. So if you don't have fiat yet, all you need to do is go to convert, then put the crypto you want to change, for example Litecoin, and right here convert to and put the fiat currency, which can be euros for example. Let's do it like this. Then you can do this and confirm. This way you will exchange your Litecoin for euros. You can also do this on sell. It's the same process. You can sell your Litecoin for euros. So once you have done that, and now you should have your fiat currency like USD or euros instead of crypto, we can go to transfer and then withdraw. So right here, we're gonna go with cash and select the currency you have. For example, let's say it's euros. We can click right here and you will have different options depending on the currency you are using. For euros, we have this option to get an instant bank transfer. It has €1 fee, and we also have the international method that will take a little bit longer and they take more fee. So we can just click, for example, this option if we want to, and now you should just put in your bank account details, continue and request the payment, and you should instantly get your money into your bank account. So that's it. That's how you can transfer money from Kraken to your bank account instantly. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.